Best tips for natural skin care. Please my channel subscribe. Are you serious about finding the best natural skin care for your skin? Natural skin care is very important when trying to have healthy glowing skin. Here are some tips on how to achieve younger looking skin by adding these simple steps to your daily routine. Simply put, natural skin care is the natural and chemical-free way of caring your skin. Natural skin care advocates believe that the skin can take care of itself without any help from synthetic materials, chemicals. Natural skin care is about the everyday practice of good habits in the way you lead your day-to-day life. A lot of natural skin care treatments are actually the same as those for body care in general. So let's see what these natural skin care treatments or measures are. Well, the first and the primary natural skin care measure is drink lots of water. Drinking 8 glasses of water is a must every day. Water helps in cleansing out the toxins from the body in a natural way. It helps in the overall maintenance of the body and promotes good health for all organs, not only the skin. General cleanliness is another inexpensive measure of natural skin care. Daily shower, wearing clean clothes and sleeping on a clean mattress pillow are all part of everyday cleanliness. After all, clean skin is the secret of keeping the skin disorders at bay. Regular exercise is the next thing in line. Exercise helps increase the flow of blood that helps in getting free of body toxins and keeping you healthy. Exercise also helps in defeating stress, which is the most horrible enemy of good health. Eating healthy foods and good eating habits are also recommended for natural skin care. Some types of food, e.g. oily food, are known to cause skin problems, especially pimples and acne, and should not be taken as much as possible. Your diet should be a healthy combination of balanced nutrient-providing foods. Raw fruits and vegetables are known to give cleanness to your body and assist in getting rid of body toxins. A good sleep is also important in keeping and maintaining good health and aids in beating stress. As a natural skin care measure, a good sleep delays sagging of the skin. Beating stress is another natural skin care remedy. Stress causes total damage to the body and health. Drinking lots of water, getting sound sleep and getting enough exercise have already been mentioned as good stress busters. Treating yourself in a warm bubble bath, listening to music and playing your favorite sports are also good ways of defeating stress. Yoga is yet another way of beating stress. It is fast gaining recognition amongst the masses. Getting away from too much exposure from the sun by wearing long-sleeved clothes, hat and umbrella, etc., is another natural skin care strategy. Sunscreen lotions are also recommended as necessary. A lot of conventional and home-made natural skin care products measures are also known to be very effective. Such measures are not only natural and chemical-free, but they are also easy to follow, and relatively inexpensive. Besides that, health fitness articles, natural skin care products can now also be found in the commercial market. These makes naturally caring for your skin much easier than before without the worry of side effects. Please my channel subscribe.